Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get Facebook lead ads notifications with automatic SMS for new leads using Zapier. This is incredibly useful if you want instant alerts whenever someone fills out your Facebook lead form, ensuring you never miss a potential customer. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Zapier.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. You'll need an active Zapier account to set up this automation, so make sure you're signed in before proceeding. After logging in, you'll see your Zapier dashboard. Look for the button labeled Zap and click on it. This is where you'll begin creating your automated workflow that connects Facebook lead ads to SMS notifications. Next, click on the trigger button. The trigger is what starts your automation, and in this case, it's going to be whenever a new lead is captured. In the search bar, type in Facebook lead ads and select it from the results. This tells Zapier to monitor your Facebook lead forms for activity. Now you'll need to choose the specific event that will trigger the automation. Select New Lead as the trigger event and click Continue. This ensures that every time someone submits their information through your lead form, Zapier will spring into action. The next step involves connecting your Facebook account to Zapier. Click Sign In under Facebook Lead Ads, then log into your Facebook account when prompted. You'll need to grant Zapier the necessary permissions to access your pages and leads. Alternatively, if you've already connected your account, you can simply select your Facebook ad account from the drop-down menu and click Continue. Once your account is connected, you'll see a list of your lead forms. Select the specific lead form you want to receive notifications for and click Continue. This ensures that only leads from that particular form trigger the SMS notification. Now it's time to set up the action, which is what happens after the trigger fires. Click the Action button, then search for SMS by Zapier in the search bar. Select it as your action app. This is the service that will send text messages to your phone whenever a new lead comes in. Choose Send SMS as the action event, then connect your account and click Continue. This step authorizes Zapier to send SMS messages on your behalf. Here's where you'll specify where the notifications should go. Enter your phone number in the phone number field, making sure to include your country code. For example, if you're in the United States, it should look like +1 followed by your 10-digit number. This ensures the SMS reaches the correct destination. After entering your number, click Continue, then click Test Action to send a test SMS to your phone. This is an important step because it confirms that everything is configured correctly and that you'll actually receive the notifications. Check your phone to make sure the test message arrives. If the test succeeds, you're all set. Click Publish and turn on the Zap. Your automation is now live, and you'll receive an instant SMS notification every time someone submits a lead through your selected Facebook form. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.